How to manage data sharing on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage data sharing on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then click this one, privacy and safety. Click on it and then just need to find this one, data sharing with business partners. Just click on it, and as you see now you can turn it off or on or anything you want. And that's how manage data sharing on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.